Jesus, just finished having our coffee and brioche, and we get a nice long drag of 7% and 8. Oh. Whew. Real hard start of that one. Finally get to see Como without the clouds. Beautiful. Okay, vegetation around, as you can see to our right. A big triangle, so to speak. Two arms at 45 degrees, and one arm through the middle. And I'm assuming we're going to go along here, then we're going to head to the right, so to speak. Good if you can see up the river, up the lake, sorry. Okay. See if I can get a spot around here. Good. Stay here, good. See the distance there? Beautiful. Okay. Wow. Check it out. Here we are. Now this is what I'm talking about. Hey, I've almost forgotten all this time. Hang on, sorry, my microphone's a bit all over the place. I'll just have to unbuckle for it. What do you reckon, Frank? Not quite Gummeracka, is it, mate? Absolutely wonderful. Nice town just up ahead. We've rounded the point where I last switched off, and we've got the next section now in front of us. Get a view of where we've come from in a moment. I'm going to pull over up ahead. I think that took that guy by surprise. So that's where we've come from. Further along, and more little views, different town areas, and happily a little bit of downhill, or at least flat. This is Pognano Levi or something, I think. I'm not sure. Can't quite remember. There he is on your left. Georgia. Looks as if we've got a bit of an uphill and a pole in the way. quick minute. I want to get this church spire across the water, or the water in the background there. It looks quite nice, doesn't it? That's the other town across the road there. And yeah, something you don't quite see in Como-Bellagio, Frank. Hey. Yeah. Oh man. Friday morning and we're on the Lake Como. Finally get a chance to do it. Unreal. You want your fruit? You want some fruit? You want fruit? When we get to Bellagio, we're halfway there.
Okay.
9:38. Looks potentially quite good. Hey. Georgia filming us, or photographing us. Oh. Very nice. Yeah. Not sure what that point is, but there's just something about it that rings a bell. We may see the villas on the other side of it. Absolutely beautiful. 9:45. Oh. Speedboat racing. Oh. I wonder if it's like Formula One type stuff. Might be the Formula One. Can't wait to get around that side there and see all the nice buildings on the other side there. Huh?
Where's the land?
We had a situation where there's a car parked right on the road, blocking the road with the hazard lights on, and we come around a bend and there's a truck there, and there's a lady walking a pram on the other side of the road, so she's on the wrong side of the road. Got a little kitty here on the bike of the lady, and we had yeah, it was interesting. The guy in the truck had to stop and wait for us to get around the very potentially dangerous situation. And what are we going to do here? Okay, we just sneak through. Ah, nice people. Sosana.